Rare and famous animals in America. Bald eagle. The bald eagle lives near rivers and forests. It eats fish and small animals. Its white head makes it special.
I saw a bald eagle catch a fish.
California condor. The California condor lives in Rocky Mountains. It eats dead animals. Its huge wings are very rare.
The California condor flies over cliffs.
Florida panther. The Florida panther lives in swampy forests. It eats deer and small mammals. It is very shy and rare.
The Florida panther hides in the swamp.
Gray wolf. Gray wolves live in forests and mountains. They eat deer and elk in groups. Their loud howl is famous.
Gray wolves hunt together at night.
Grizzly bear. Grizzly bears live in forests and near rivers. They eat fish, berries, and plants. Their strong claws are dangerous.
A grizzly bear catches salmon in the river.
Manatee. Manatees live in warm coastal waters. They eat seagrass and plants. They are gentle and slow swimmers.
The manatee floats in the river.
American alligator. American alligators live in swamps and rivers. They eat fish, birds, and mammals. Their strong jaws are powerful.
The alligator swims in the swamp.
Black-footed ferret. Black-footed ferrets live in grasslands. They eat prairie dogs at night. They are rare and have black feet.
The ferret hunts in the grass.
American bison. American bison live in open plains. They eat grass and plants. Their big size is impressive.
Bisons run across the plains.
Key deer. Key deer live on small islands. They eat leaves and grasses. They are tiny and very rare.
Key deer eat grass in the forest.
Bighorn sheep. Bighorn sheep live in Rocky Mountains. They eat grasses and shrubs. Their curved horns are strong.
Bighorn sheep climb steep rocks.
Thanks for watching.